guys, welcome back to my flyer course mastery. In this video, we are going to learn how to create this flyer in Photoshop. And these are the resources we are going to use in this video. So the first thing we are going to do is to open Photoshop, click on create new. We are going to set the weight and the height to 736 and 920, resolution 300. Then we click on create. Then Ctrl+0 on the keyboard to fill the screen. From there, I'm going to click on this folder, and these are the resources we are going to use. As I said earlier, we have the documents we are also going to use and the color codes over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring in my slippers. Then I'm going to click on this one to turn it off. Then I'm going to pick my rectangle tool from here, and I'm going to stand here to select and click drag. Then we come back to our document, copy this color code, Ctrl+C on the keyboard, double click on the rectangle and Ctrl+V to paste. So let's make a duplicate. Press Alt on the keyboard and click and drag, something like this. Then let's select the rectangle on our right side. So Ctrl+T on the keyboard, then Shift, and let's open a small gap here. Then we go back to our resource folder, click on social icons, which is in a PSD format. So when you double click on this file, it's going to automatically open Photoshop for you. Then this is the texture we are going to use. So you click and drag into your workspace, and you're going to have something like this. Then we select this rectangle here, go back to our document, text document, select this color code, double click on this rectangle, then backspace, Ctrl+V. So we are going to have something like this. Let's bring our slippers layer top here, then let's turn it on. So we are going to have something like this, which is we have a white background. So select the eraser tool, click. When you release, you are going to have these options here. Then select the magic eraser tool, then click on OK. Then click again, and we have the background. So click any space here, then pick the rectangle tool, then bring this layer down here, then Ctrl+T, then let's move it somewhere here, then move this down here, something like this. Then let's round the corner. So click on this one, then let's round this corner to something like this. Then from there, go back to your document, select this color code, click on this rectangle, backspace, and Ctrl+V on the keyboard. Then now we are going to pick our rectangle tool again. Then let's round the sides. Click on this one. Ctrl+G on the keyboard. Let's make a duplicate of this rectangle also. Bring it down. Then let's set all the sides to 0. Then Ctrl+T on the keyboard. Turn it up. A little bit down. Then Ctrl+J again. Let's make a duplicate. Then bring it down. Ctrl+T. Plus Alt so that we have both of the sizes. Then from here, select this rectangle again, Ctrl+T. Let's bring it up small. Okay, so you're going to have something like this. Control plus T again, bring it down small. Then let's select this rectangle. Then let's select this color code. Select this rectangle, backspace and paste. The same thing. Double click on this rectangle. This icon here is like a mask key, mask icon. Yes, double click on it. Then backspace, Control plus V. Then the same here again, Control plus V on the keyboard. Then I'm going to pick my text tool. Before the text tool, make sure you click this empty space here in order to deselect the layer. Then click here, then bring it down. Go back to your document text document, Control plus C, copy, then let's paste. So I have something like this one. And the font I'm using is called Shavina. Then you increase the size. Then bring it down here. Deselect the layer. Then let's pick a rectangle tool. Let's make a duplicate. Select both of the rectangle. Control plus T on the keyboard. Let's bring it down. Shift up. Then side again. Side. Okay. Let's select the two rectangle again. Control plus T. Select this rectangle and use the forward and the up key to select, move them. Then from here, I'm going to bring in my icons. I'm going to bring this one. Then right click, create clipping mask. Control plus T on the keyboard, bring it down. Then select this one again. And let's bring this. Increase the size. Right click and click on create clipping mask from here. Then we are going to select this one, the layers. Then press shift and click to select this, and let's group them. So we have something like this is being grouped. So FX, let's set the stroke to white. So you're going to have something like this. From there, let's click here to deselect the layer. Then we are going to set the color to this one. Then we are going to pick our so let's make a duplicate of this rectangle. Then now we are going to bring it down to something like this. And make another duplicate of this rectangle again. Bring it down. I'm using shift to do that. Control plus T and bring it down small. And from here, I'm also going to bring this one down here. Then click on this rectangle, Control plus T. I'm going to bring it down. And now I'm going to bring this rectangle also down here. And Control plus T on the keyboard, Shift. Then let's bring it somewhere here. Now let's pick our, click here to deselect, pick your text tool. Let's decrease the size and set it to this font. And come here, our text document. And we change the color to white, decrease the size. Make a duplicate of this text. And we are going to select all, I'm going to select all this. Control plus C on the keyboard to copy and paste. Then enter, enter. Then backspace, backspace, backspace. I'm going to give it some small spacing. And bring it up here. From there, I'm going to select this color code. Double click on the text, backspace and paste. Pick my ellipse tool. And let's change the color. Backspace. This one. And let's decrease the size of the ellipse. Control plus J. Bring it down. Plus J. And let's bring it down here. So I'm using the arrow down key to bring them down. Then from there, I'm going to select this one, go to FX and set the stroke. So we can set the stroke here also. Set it to white. And this one also the same thing. Click here, set the stroke to. Let's decrease this one. Then now I'll go back to my text document, select this one, Ctrl plus C on the keyboard. Then make a duplicate of this one. Then let's decrease the size. Ctrl plus T on the keyboard and bring it down. Let's set the color to white. Then properties. If you can't find the properties panel here, you can come to window, then activate it from here. I'm going to bring it, space it down small. Change it to 5, enter. Okay, let's change it to 4 rather. Then press enter on the keyboard. And let's pick our line 2 from here. Stand here. Shift, bring it down here. And let's set it to white. We're going to have something like this one. Then let's come to the social icons. Pick this arrow key, this the arrow icon we want. So turn off this and bring it here. Control plus T on the keyboard. Bring it down. Then let's change the color to color valley from here, FX and white. Use the arrow key to position everything very well. Control plus J on the keyboard. Come down. Control plus J. Come down. Something like this. Then now let's pick our rectangle to bring your ruler here to make sure everything is aligned perfectly. Then let's change the color. Double click here. Change the color to this. So let's change the color to black, the lips. Then duplicate it. And click on this rectangle. Bring it somewhere here. Bring it down small. Then now we are going to bring in our WhatsApp icon here and make it small. Control plus T on the keyboard. Then our core icon, turn off this and pick the same thing. So turn off this one also. Then bring your core icon here. Control plus T. Then from here, I'm going to duplicate the service from here and change the number to then Control plus T, select the number, Control plus T. Now let's scale it. Now let's change the color to click on this one. Now use the click here to select the same color. Now let's bring in our lightning. So Control plus Z to make any to go back to the undo function. So these are lights we have here. So drag them to your project. Control plus T. Can bring it here. Can decrease the opacity. Then now let's bring in our overlays. So you have this overlay. You can pick one, bring it here, and leave it to have something like this. So I can bring it here and leave it. Go back again, pick another one, maybe this. So I pick my eraser tool, then clean here, here also, so that I can have this effect. The same, I can also pick this one, then bring it here, somewhere here, have a nice effect also. So you can play around with all the effects and the colors. So let's round this rectangle also. Okay. So this is how to create this simple flyer in Photoshop.